I got no sleep last night. Like 3 hours. I don't know why. I fell asleep for like an hour or so. Dogs woke me up. I got sucked into a movie that was on TV. Got up because I was starving. Ate a bunch of junk and then went back to bed. By the time I went back to bed, it was like 11:30 at night, and I woke up at 2:30 in the morning, and now we're here. So, Saturday, July 5th, we're just getting fuel right now, and we're gonna get going now. I got fuel, and we're gonna get going now. I'm all stocked up. That's full, and I got that. So I should be okay. We're going to the shitty landfill today because the other one is closed. So that means that place is probably going to be a zoo because the other one is closed. So, see how it goes. Let's get going. Feels like a fall day out here. I love it. I love it. I love the fall. Yeah, I'm not sure why I'm here. I should have just took the day off. They have a bunch of empty trailers. Oh, it is what it is. I'm dropping this one. I just hope they load it. But yeah, this weather is great. I love it. How many fucking times am I gonna say I love it? Yeah, I love the fall time. I hate the winter. But like Halloween, anything to do with the fall, pumpkin spice, like all that stuff. I wish it could be fall all year round. Is there a place in the world where it's fall all year round? But yeah, I just don't like the winter. I would take winter like up until Christmas time. If the winter would end right after Christmas, that'd be my perfect world. Yeah, hoodie weather, 50s. That's my shit. Okay. We're hooked up to my other trailer. Giving another little tug test to make sure we're definitely hooked up. And we are. All right. Now we're gonna go check the weight and hope that we're not overweight or extremely underweight. Yep, extremely underweight. Dude, what the fuck? Trash isn't gonna come in here for another 2 fucking hours. What a fucking joke, man. Sorry, I didn't mean to sound like a little whiny bitch. But I think that scale is fucked up. What the hell is this guy doing? Is this a scale guy? Like, what the fuck is he doing? Anyway, I pulled off, like, when I was on the scale, it was going crazy. Like, it went to 71,000 down to 67,000. Like, it was going up and down, and I got off the scale, and it was reading negative 4,700 pounds. So I don't know who that guy is. Maybe he's doing something with the scale and they already knew about it. I don't know. See what happens, I guess. Actually, I'm going to shut the truck off. I think I'm going to be here a little while. Negative 4,700, which would put me around 75,000 pounds if that's correct. I mean, my suspension gauge down here is showing me a little bit light, but not like 69, 70,000 pounds light. Early in the morning like this, when there's not going to be like trash coming in here for another couple hours, 75 is, I'll leave with that. That's okay. But 69,000, 70,000, that's like really pushing it. Because I get paid by the ton here. It's not like by the load or anything. If it was by the load, I wouldn't give a shit. But it's by the ton that we get paid, so I don't know. We'll see what happens here. I started my truck again because I found a tire I needed to air up. But the one thing that's like really bad is that scale right there, that outbound scale where the pickup truck is. That's the only scale in this whole place that works. So if that one breaks, there's no scale to scale in, scale out of, check your weight. So if this one breaks, I'm really not sure like what you do at that point. Like, can the place just like not operate? I really don't know. If you watch my videos, you would know this already. But the scales that are in the building back there, I'm pointing to my mirror, by the way, there's a building back there. That's where you get loaded. You pull in, it's like a tunnel, and you pull onto the scales and they load you on the scales. But those are broken too, so they're just like loading you blindly, and then you come out here and check your weight, and you wait in a long line because there's people scaling in and scaling out on the one scale. I wonder if DOT's at the toll booth. I'm trying to look over there, I can't really tell. I also hope these guys are in a better mood today. The last time I was here, which was Thursday, they were all miserable. Nope, no DOT. Like that bridge. You get a really nice view of Clark Summit down there. It's really high up. Oh, and those scales at the transfer station, that guy actually fixed it. And the inbound scale is working now too, so that'll help things. That'll make things definitely like a lot smoother going in and out of there. All right, let's get the fuck hell out of here. It was actually not nearly as bad as what I thought it was going to be. There's less room up there to back on the tipper, but I was the only truck up there. There was one up there that was getting off the tipper when I got to the top of the hill, so. Oh, watch out, Birdie. Oh. back up to the toll booth. I think we're gonna be done for the day. My truck is going to Caterpillar on Monday, so I'm not working Monday. And I don't want to go up there, get a load of trash just for it to sit in my spot for 2.5 days. Have it stinking out the whole place. So I'm just going to keep the trailer empty for the next couple of days. Yeah, this video is gonna be a bit boring. Nothing really interesting happened. It's just a normal Saturday doing one load. But there's really nothing to talk about right now. Besides me whining about my weight this morning and going to that shitty landfill. But it's just a normal, boring Saturday. But yeah, I think we're gonna end it here. Yeah, we're gonna end it here. We'll see you on the next video, and I love you. Goodbye.